taken seriously as a committee. We will endeavor now to carry them on in our next report, Mr. Speaker. Clause 28 of the proposed increase of VAT on petroleum and liquefied petroleum gas from 8% to 16%, Honorable Speaker, was a very contended issue, Honorable Speaker. But what has the committee done? Honorable Speaker, when we put the VAT on fuel at 8% and every vertible product at 16%, so what that meant, Honorable Speaker, that these particular businesses in this particular sector were always in a VAT credit refund position, because their input tax, Honorable Speaker, they're able to pay their VAT on input at 16%. But fuel at 8%, Honorable Speaker, it means there's an 8% difference, which means that these particular businesses have always been on a credit side when they're asking for tax refund, Mr. Speaker. And what that essentially means is that taxpayers' money have been used to finance these businesses that carry out the business of this of fuel, Mr. Speaker, because of that disparity between input tax that they pay at 16%, but their output tax they claim at 8%, Honorable Speaker, which therefore creates that particular credit position. Honorable Speaker, we have agreed that we are going to carry on this VAT on fuel at 16%. But on the other hand, we looked at the agreement that Kenya had, the discussions that we've had about climate change, about climate financing, about going green by 2030, Honorable Speaker. And we have this, and we recommend to this House that we adopt other measures that are going to ensure our Kenyans against this increased cost of VAT, and making sure that in moving forward, that the cost of green energy is going to be way cheaper, and therefore reducing the need for use of this fossil